Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Hook. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of TONxDAO and its latest airdrop bot that is taking the crypto community by storm. If you're into crypto airdrops, then this is something you'll definitely want to check out. The project is built on the TON ecosystem, and it introduces a unique opportunity for you to mine XDAO tokens directly through Telegram. We'll walk you through everything step by step: how to start mining, how to maximize your earnings, and how to leverage the platform to be a part of the bigger decentralized ecosystem. But before we get into all that, let me tell you about a special giveaway just for you, my loyal subscribers. I'm doing a $60 giveaway, and all you need to do to participate is 1. Watch the entire video. 2. Like this video and share it with your friends. 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. 4. Leave a comment below telling me why you want dollars and how you would spend it. As soon as we hit 500 likes, I'll randomly pick a lucky winner to receive $60 directly from me. Simple, right? So, make sure you stick around and join in on the fun. Now, let's get to the main topic: TONxDAO Airdrop Bot and how you can start earning XDAO tokens. What is TONxDAO? TONxDAO is a decentralized project designed to enhance the DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, ecosystem within Telegram. What makes this project special is its deep integration with the TON blockchain, giving users the ability to create and manage DAOs, raise funds for their communities, perform transactions, all within Telegram. The main way users can participate is by mining the native token DAO. What's even cooler is that this isn't just another airdrop. TONxDAO allows users to engage directly in the TON ecosystem through interactive features within Telegram itself. With TONxDAO, you can create your own DAO right inside Telegram, raise funds for your community through your DAO, manage collective funds without needing to leave Telegram, earn DAO tokens through a super simple mining process. Why TONxDAO is generating buzz? What really got the community talking is the project's affiliation with Notcoin, which was the first massive Telegram-based airdrop that is now listed on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and OKX. This connection has brought a lot of attention to TONxDAO, and it's clear why. With a team and partnerships like this, TONxDAO is poised to become a major player in the crypto world. Step-by-step guide: how to mine DAO tokens with TONxDAO. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can mine XDAO tokens and start building up your crypto holdings. Here's a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process. Step 1. Find and access the TONxDAO bot on Telegram. Open Telegram and search for TONxDAO in the search bar. Alternatively, you can use this official link to access the bot directly, TONxDAO Bot. Once you find the bot, hit the start button to initiate the process. Step 2. Begin your mining journey. After you've joined the bot, you'll notice a red circle on the interface. To start mining your first set of tokens, press and hold the circle for 5 seconds. After your first mining session is complete, you'll be prompted to create a DAO. This step allows you to participate in the broader TONxDAO ecosystem, opening up more features and earning opportunities. To mine more tokens, simply hold the red circle again until your energy is depleted. Each mining session consumes energy, and it takes about 8 hours to fully recharge your mining capacity. Step 3. Keep track of your mining level. At the top of the screen, you'll see your mining level displayed. The higher your level, the more rewards you can earn. The important thing to remember here is that level 4 is the minimum requirement to be eligible for the TONxDAO airdrop. To reach higher levels quickly, make sure you mine regularly and complete the tasks offered within the bot. The more active you are, the faster you can level up and unlock greater rewards. Step 4. Complete tasks for extra rewards. TONxDAO offers several tasks that you can complete to earn bonus XDAO tokens. Here are some tasks that will give you additional tokens. Follow on Twitter. Earn 50,000 DAO tokens by following TONxDAO's official Twitter account. Join the official Telegram channel. Earn 100,000 DAO tokens by joining their Telegram channel. Join the community chat. You can also earn 50,000 DAO tokens just by participating in the community discussions on Telegram. Join the creators Telegram group. Earn another 50,000 DAO tokens by engaging with the creator community. These tasks not only boost your DAO token holdings but are also crucial for leveling up faster. Step 5. Refer friends and earn 10% of their earnings. The referral program is a great way to increase your earnings. Once you've created your DAO, you can invite friends and earn a 10% bonus on whatever they mine. Click the DAO button at the center of the bot to generate your referral link. Share your referral link with friends, and for every person who joins and starts mining through your link, you'll earn 10% of their total mining earnings. TONxDAO's vision: revolutionizing fundraising through DAOs on Telegram. TONxDAO's broader vision goes beyond just mining tokens. The project is working toward turning Telegram communities into fully functional DAOs, which will enable seamless fundraising for projects, collective fund management directly within the Telegram app, a unique opportunity for users to monetize their communities by offering access to their DAOs. Their ultimate goal is to make DAO creation and fundraising as easy and accessible as possible for everyone on Telegram without needing third-party apps. Open Farming Mining System. TONxDAO introduces a cool open farming system that makes mining even more interactive. In the bot, users can mine tokens by holding their finger on a vibrating circle. What's even better is that you can mine collectively with others in groups, which increases the rewards thanks to group multipliers. Why TONxDAO is a game changer. TONxDAO is the first project to bring DAO functionalities directly into Telegram. Whether it's creating DAOs, managing funds, or raising capital, TONxDAO allows users to do everything without leaving the app. This makes it a trailblazer in the crypto space, with the potential for massive growth. Its strong integration with Notcoin and other major projects adds even more credibility to its long-term prospects. Mining DAO tokens with TONxDAO is a simple and rewarding way to engage with the decentralized future. By following the steps outlined here, you can start mining today and take advantage of future airdrops and rewards. TONxDAO's seamless integration into Telegram makes it one of the most exciting projects in the space right now. So, don't miss out. Join the TONxDAO bot, start mining, and be a part of the future of DAOs and decentralized fundraising. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Hook, comment below with your thoughts on TONxDAO and the airdrop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.